Thank you so much, Her Highness. Welcome.
His Royal Majesty, she is our principal, Dr. Seema Nair, and she's my dear wife and the first lady of the school. She's also director of the school, Madam Asantehene. His Royal Majesty, the amount of enthusiasm and the happiness which is there in our children, in the whole faculty room, very well, and brought a lot of laurels to our school, and they will surely bring it in our society as well. He got 4 awards, highest in some subjects, and he went on to become the students of Imperial College.
Can we keep clapping, ladies and gentlemen? Thank you. Thank you very much. The team is led by the current head boy, Bill Bruno, and Paris, the head girl. I guess at this point, I'll do less talking for us to listen to the richness of the traditional songs, Black heralds. How blessed we are, DPS, to have him swap, the man who is affectionately known as the King of Kings, and Funina Nana Wumpasu. Asantehene is flanked by adorable Lady Julia Saitutu. Thank you very much for coming, ma'am. Flanked by Mr. Michael Takwani and the wife, Mrs. Takwani. Thank you for coming. Otutu Tata. First, you'll be a deep. Nana Wumpasu, and that's it. And that's the breed. That's the new young man to say. Hey. Nana Wumpasu.